about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to our channel. So today I have another wig which comes from UNICE, and they can be found on Amazon Prime. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and information located in the info section below. So this wig, like, I have never heard of a wig like this before. This is like my very first time. So when I saw it, of course I had to pick it up. But have you guys heard about this? It's called the pre-everything wig. Like, I was like, what does this even mean? And yes, you guys are seeing correctly. This wig is pretty much everything. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, it's even pre-taped. So this is like the ultimate throw on and go, wear and go wig. Glueless, no work really needs to be done. I mean, you can wash it if you want, but y'all, I didn't even wash it. I just kind of spritzed it down with a little bit of water and moved on. But once again, this is their new pre-everything lace frontal wig. It has that 13x4 ear-to-ear pre-cut lace. It has the pre-plucked hairline, the pre-bleached knots. It even comes pre-taped. This wig is definitely glueless, so y'all put away your glue. You don't need it here. So you can definitely just throw on this wig, install it, and be good to go for like a couple of days or so. So my wig is 24 inches long, 150% density, and it's in that gorgeous kinky curly texture. Now you guys are seeing me install the removable adjustable elastic band. This is going to pretty much give you a nice customizable fit. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this wig on and see what this wig is working with. So here are these pre-installed tape strips, and they are placed right along like the sideburn area. Now they do give you extra tape strips to where you can apply all over the perimeter of the hairline. However, I'm just using the pre-installed ones just because this is my first time ever using these tape strips. So I kind of wanted to know how exactly it was going to work for myself. Now I am using a little bit of Got to Be Glued just along the areas that weren't glued down, just to make sure that it's going to stay attached properly. So I went ahead and I applied the edge band, and now I'm just going to style up this wig. I'm just spritzing it down with some water. I'm applying a little bit of my Wet and Wavy curl cream. I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling defining brush just to get some definition going, and then I'm going to use my diffuser just to dry up this hair so we can make it look bouncy and give it some volume. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like. Yes, it's about 90% dry, and y'all don't mind my shirt. I didn't even really realize it when I was filming the video. But now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut some slight layers just to kind of frame my face. Okay, you guys, so this is what this wig is looking like. You guys have to definitely let me know what you guys think about these new pre-everything lace frontal wigs. For me, I think it's a really cool idea just because it took me years to learn how to properly install and customize my lace wigs. But if you guys are a beginner, or you're new to wearing wigs, or you don't necessarily have the time to do anything with your wigs, these new pre-everything lace wigs definitely cuts out a lot of the complex detailed work, a lot of time, making it super easy just to kind of throw on and go about your day without having to worry about whether your wig looks, fake or phony or anything like that. But you guys have to definitely let me know what you guys think. Now, I kind of wanted to include this small clip of me taking down the wig. I'm just using a pre-alcohol soaked wipe and I'm just applying it to where the tape is. You can definitely use like coconut oil or olive oil, and you guys can see that my edges are still intact. They didn't go nowhere. And also, I wanted to let you guys see how to remove the tape from the lace. It just pulls right off. There's no damage caused to the lace or anything like that. It's super easy. And also, UNICE gives you an extra supply of tape strips just in case you guys want to re-tape down your wig. But once again, you guys let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.